With the rising cases of the COVID-19 variant in the country, ensuring regular and timely supply of oxygen and medicines was a big challenge for the authorities. To help the authorities in delivering oxygen and provide ambulance service to those in need, auto ambulances in different cities of India have come up to the rescue. In northeast city of Guwahati, the Lions Club of Guwahati, which is a 52-year-old NGO, has started pre-COVID auto ambulance service to help COVID-19 patients in case of emergencies. These auto ambulances are equipped with oxygen cylinders, masks and sanitizers to ensure that COVID patients with symptoms and low oxygen levels can reach the hospital on time with necessary oxygen support available in the auto rickshaw during the transit. The drivers of these auto ambulances are equipped with all kinds of safety measures like PPE kit, masks and gloves. In cities like New Delhi and Kalaburgi, these auto ambulance services have been started by local authorities to ensure timely availability of ambulances to patients.
So to provide timely services to these people for going to hospitals, we have provided these auto ambulances. The service is that whenever there is a need for a patient from any area in the city to go to a hospital, if he is a COVID positive patient, he can call these auto ambulances and they'll immediately come to their home and deliver and get them to hospital free of cost.
The drivers of these ambulances are also given first aid training by doctors to educate them on what should be their first course of action in case of medical emergency. Local authorities have also rolled out emergency numbers in different cities for citizens to call their executives in case of emergencies. Initiatives like these have helped saving lives all around the country and in boosting up the fight against coronavirus.